What's up guys, my name's Lexus More David and I had a craving today. This is a California burrito, carne asada, cheddar cheese, french fries, and then mine has sour cream on it. It was supposed to have pico de gallo on it, but I didn't get any of that and I added sour cream. I'm so ready for this. I've been thinking about this ever since I woke up. Oh my goodness. Oh bro, you see the cheese? Oh, and then you know I got two kinds of sauce. I got the green sauce, I got the avocado salsa, I got it all. I have a nice ice cold Jamaica. Ooh. Period. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. The location I go to, it's a hit or a miss. But this day, today, it's such a hit. It's such a hit. I'm gonna get into these sauces. What I usually like to do is I like to get the green salsa and the avocado and then I mix them together. This one's kind of full, so I'll mix it this way. There we go, and then I can use this sauce. I was gonna set it up before I started the video, but like it was smelling good and I just couldn't resist. You got that steak, that ooey gooey cheese, that creamy sour cream, those french fries that are cooked just right. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. You know what I should have got? I should have got a fork or like a spoon or something. Almost dropped it. I always get green sauce. I don't really like the red sauce, but you should definitely try mixing the two greens together if you try it, because like it's a little spicy, but like so good. I've been craving this burrito for like 3 days. I'm so happy I finally got to get this. I don't think you guys can tell, but I'm wearing purple today. I've never worn a purple shirt before. Like, not in my adult life. When I was a kid, I always hated the color purple. I don't know why I didn't like it so much, but I like loathed the color. And then I started dipping my toes in a little bit after high school with trying like purple lipsticks. Like plum, like especially around the holidays, cranberries. The only time I would ever be able to like appreciate the color purple was when it came to blues and greens, because it reminded me of mermaids. So I bought this shirt because it was very different from anything that I own. This is my first purple item of clothing, so I paired it with white. I didn't know what to match with it. It's almost 8:30 at night. I woke up at 4 o'clock today, like 4 p.m. That's because I stayed up all night editing. All night and all morning, actually. I finished editing at 10:30 this morning. Man, I edited yesterday for 12 hours. Whew, goodness, but it's all right. I was very proud of my videos, so that's good. But man, just taken me a very, very, very long time. I only slept for like 6 hours. And then when I woke up and saw that I still had some daylight left, I was like, maybe I should film today. I miss the daylight. Yeah, that came and went because I had to ease myself out of bed. I had to check on my grandma, see how she's doing, see if she needed anything. And then I decided like to try to get ready. I was gonna come up here just looking how I was looking, which was straight rolling out of bed, but no, I wanted to try to look nice for you guys. I'm really surprised with how good this is right now. I can't tell if I'm just like super hungry or if it's one of the times that they're just hitting, because like sometimes I'll go there and the steak will just be bad. I couldn't tell if it was the cut of meat or the way they cooked, but it would be super fatty and like jiggly. And I don't eat those parts. Like, as gross as it sounds, no. My body like rejects that texture. And you know what I thought about today that I've never thought about before? This whole time I thought Alazanes was somebody's name, like somebody's last name. But I was looking at it today because it's Los Alazanes and I was like, doesn't Los mean the? So it's the something, right? So then what does Alazanes mean? Like, does it... Watch it be called like the burrito or something. I'm gonna look it up because now I'm really curious. Chestnuts popped up. Wait, translate from Spanish to English. Okay, that's right. Alazan. Did I spell it right? If this place is called the Chestnuts, I'm gonna lose my mind. A-L-A-Z-A-N-E-S. Okay. A-L-A-Z-A-N-E-S. Is that right? I feel like that can't be right. Did I mess this up? The Chestnuts. Let's try that. If this place is really just named after chestnuts, like the actual chestnuts, then honestly it would have the same energy to me as like when people have tattoos in Japanese and they're like, oh, it means warrior and strength, but like they don't speak Japanese, so the translation is really like, I'm stupid, or like, you know, sidewalk, something random. Like, that's how random this feels to me. If anybody knows the mystery of the like naming of Los Alazanes, let me know, because it's kind of not popping up easily. So I can't believe I've never thought about that. The more you know, you know? Anyway. I made Jamaica, well, my boyfriend made Jamaica before. I wonder what recipe Alazanes uses. I think that they might use way more sugar than we did, because ours still had like essence of flour, right? Like, we boiled the flowers and then I was snacking on some of the flowers after. They had this nice tart like flavor to them. Are you allowed to do that? Is it bad for you? Because I was eating quite a few of those freaking flowers. I saw this mirror at the Dollar Tree and I was like, I can make a cute like Instagram picture with this. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I think I want to do some type of like effect to where this looks, that is not my angle. Oh goodness, I just offended myself. I thought about making this kind of like liquidy, like look like that, and maybe do like traveling through or like touching the other side of them. I don't know. I have to think about it, but I definitely want to try to think of something creative. And then I was going to get my paint and like try to give this an aged vintage look, maybe brassy. I also wanted to try to remake one of my pictures from years ago. Essentially my picture then was like me opening a book and butterflies and stuff were coming out of it. I need to start posting more because like I hardly ever post anything but stories. Like, I fell into the trap for a while of having it to where all of my posts on my feed look very cohesive and they look like they go together, but that's just a lot of maintenance. Got 2 more things of sauce. I have Breaking Dawn. Okay, I just used a wet wipe. Now we can see how many pages. Okay. Vampire Index. See, I haven't even broken the spine on this yet. Like, I just got this from the Goodwill. This was the last book that I needed to complete the collection. I've only read like the first 2 books. I read half of the 3rd one, but like her writing style was just getting on my nerves, so I couldn't finish it. But I'm gonna restart it because I bought all these books. So 754. Oh, and then here's the last like line from the movie, and then we continued blissfully into this small but perfect piece of forever. I'm gonna watch all the Twilights. I was about to give y'all a slip of a show that is not free. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications. My name's Lexus Amour David, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.